yourself an answer as well. You read ahead on Walking Dead before you watch the show. You eat bread with fur, you still call me sir. There's a piece of gum from 91 that's hiding in your purse. But no matter what I sing, I wouldn't change a thing. You're my postmodern masterpiece. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
What day is it? Say today's Friday.
Friday.
Oh, and where are we going? Where are we going?
To the gym.
To the open gym. Guys, we're home from open gym and we've eaten lunch, and Nicholas is home from school because it's an early release day, and I just talked really fast. But it's been kind of hectic. I haven't eaten lunch yet, to give you an idea, because of the timing of the bus on early release and the open gym and when we got home, and so it's been a madhouse. But I wanted to show you what Louisa learned today. Louisa, no eating cars. No, no, no.
Na na na.
No, no, no. No, no, no eating cars. No, no, no.
Na na na.
Yes.
Dad.
All done.
Ja.
Yeah. Where's the car? Can you say cars? Cars.
Guys.
Yes, cars. And Audrey's eating a cheese stick. Are you eating cheese stick? Yeah. Is it yummy? Can you sit down?
Do that. Have that car. No. This one.
No, no, no. No, no cars in the mouth. No, no. Ick. Ick.
Wow.
Bah. Can you say hi? That's the cutest hi. Say hi. Oh. And they're fighting. They're fighting. Can you guys share, please?
Lisa.
Why don't you show them all your cars? Show them your favorite cars.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Are you sure? Can you do that? Louisa! Look it. Archie, look at me. Look at me, Archie. I want to do a recording of you. Can I try? No. Wait. You want to come out? I can talk to you now. Hey, what's that? What's that? Bear! The bear. Let's see what's in here.
So, but if there's no... Hi. If there's nothing in the square, does that mean you had a good day?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at the monkeys. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's get close to it. Some monkeys. Oh, let's see now. See the monkey. Turtle blue. This is car, my car, Oba, and waterfall, Pluto.
Hey guys, so we're nearing quiet time, but I just have to show you this. Sorry, the TV's a little loud. But I was just laying on the floor watching a vlog, and I look over, and I don't know if... She's asleep. Right in front of the blaring TV. So, Lisa's asleep. So I'm gonna put her up in her crib, and I guess she started quiet time without the rest of us. Must have been that open gym that we did earlier that was exhausting. So, I just had to show you that. Hey guys, super late at night. Not sure you can see me. I'm actually standing by the stove so you can see me. I fell asleep on the couch. And Dan went to bed because he's not feeling well. But basically, I didn't end the vlog. So, hope you guys all had a great Friday. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Thumbs up. Leave a comment. Come back tomorrow. Bye.
You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Whoa. I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? perfect for me.